Hi, this is Kelly from Mrs. Clifford's Computer Repairs. Today we're going to look at our Gmail account and learn how to simplify our inbox. Right now, you can see that my email is divided up between a primary, a promotion, and a social inbox. This is the way it's set up when you first sign up your account. And if you're like me, you like things a little bit simpler. I don't like the everything being divided. I want everything in one inbox. I don't want to have to click on these tabs to look at the different emails. I just want to look at one and be done with it. So if you'd like it a simpler view, you can just do this. If you click on the gear up at the top here, just in the top right corner here, and you click on all settings, you'll see this list and you want to go 3 over until you get to inbox. Once you're on inbox, you're going to uncheck promotions and social from this list. You're going to go down and you're going to save the changes. Now that doesn't get rid of the emails that are in those tabs. What it does is it filters them all into a single tab and there's no tabs at all. You just like it's in a single inbox. You don't have to worry about the tabs. They're gone permanently. Now, if you don't like it after you've changed it, you can go back to the tab sessions. You can go up to the settings gear, back to all settings, go back to inbox and choose promotions and social again and go down and save your changes. And now your tabs are back. So it's not a setting that's permanent. You can switch back and forth, give it a try, see if you like it one way or the other. I prefer the single inbox method myself, so I'm going to go back and change it again to be a single inbox because this is the way I prefer it. And just remember to save your changes at the bottom. And now it's the way I like it. I hope this helps someone. Bye.